Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best toy storage solutions that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Creative QT Toy Storage. This 2-in-1 toy organizer plus playmat is large enough to let your children lay out all of their toys at once without causing a mess. Made with high-grade material and reinforced stitching, this item can withstand rough use by kids. Often, it becomes a hassle and a reason for back pain for parents to individually pick up toys and put them back in the toy basket. This storing solution lets you wrap everything up in under 5 seconds just by lifting the playmat using built-in handles and sliding all the mess into the attached basket. This is the best toy storage organizer on our list because of its two-way design and substantial size. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Lily's Love Toy Storage. The Lily's Love Toy Storage is unquestionably one of the most attractive options on the internet. But apart from the appearance, this model is incredibly durable as well. It's manufactured from high-quality fibers and features astonishing craftsmanship. On top of that, the toy storage even comes with hooks and anchors, so you won't need to purchase anything else. Just connect everything and attach it to the wall. Typically, you'll be able to expand it up to 72 inches x 50 inches for maximum storage area. Available in several different colors, the toy storage will be an excellent addition to any specific room. At number 3, we have the Hyagon Toy Storage. Organize your toys with this collapsible storage bin that comes in a plethora of different prints that kids find exciting and are easy on the eyes. It can stand up straight on its own and be flattened when not in use. Since it's manufactured using high-quality fabric and lined with waterproof coating, you can rest assured about its durability. Cleaning it is also a breeze. If you're very particular about your room's aesthetic, this box matches all kinds of interior designs. Plus, the affordability of this product allows you to spend more money on your child's toys instead. At number 2, we have the Humble Crew Toy Storage. This wooden structure features a timeless espresso brown and eggshell white color. The wood stays in place with sturdy steel dowels that have been incorporated into the design. It comes with 12 storage bins that can be interchangeably placed at different places on the rack, out of which 8 are a standard size and 4 are large-sized. These bins are made using high-quality plastic that is free of harmful chemicals. Since all the edges of this organizer are round, you can rest assured about the protection of your kid. It also comes with anti-tip straps and stabilizing braces so that it stays upright when your little one takes a bin out. To help keep your child's play environment clean and tidy, it allows them to store their toys in easy-to-see and access plastic container trays. And finally, at number 1, we have the Songmics Toy Storage. Made using top-quality fiberboard, this bench has a weight-bearing capacity of up to 60 pounds and a storage capacity of 120 liters. It comes with a wooden divider so you can separately organize toys and blankets and don't have to rummage through the stored items to find one. This bench storage solution also features a thick padded top, offering a comfortable seat for your kids and guests. Available in multiple colors, you can easily find one that perfectly blends with your home's interior. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.